Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let's barbecue some kangaroo. So I've got 2 pieces of sirloin, put them to the side. Half a cup of olive oil. To that add 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Mix it together. Then season the meat with lemon pepper as well. Put it in a plastic bag, add the marinade, and make sure that you coat everywhere by massaging the bag a little bit. Put it in a container and into the fridge for an hour.
Fire in the hole!
And when your bucket grill is up to temp, that means screaming hot, add the meat onto there. Since it's been marinating in olive oil, you get a little bit of flame up, but it's just good for the taste. Anyway, I'm gonna cook this 1 minute per side, then flip them. Continue doing that. First off, I need to quench the fire, so I'm just putting the lid on the grill, letting it die down a little bit, and now it's calmer. Anyway, so flip it 1 minute per side, flip them, and then 1 minute per side. Yeah, do that twice, 2 minutes each side, and then it's time to temp them. It goes pretty fast because they're not thick, these pieces. So the first time I temped them, they were not really done, so I ran 1 minute per side again. So in total, I cooked them 3 minutes each side, divided into 1 minute periods. Anyway, it's done when the temperature reaches 135 Fahrenheit or 57 Celsius. You don't want to overcook this. Anyway, let it rest for about 10 minutes and cut it into slices, and this is what it might look like if you do it as well as I did. It looks really good, doesn't it? Anyway, time to plate it and then to taste it.
Well, there we go. New Year's Eve dinner. I would like to thank each and every one of my subscribers and followers for commenting and watching all my videos and stuff. And it's been a great year. I'm looking forward to the next one. It's going to be even better, I hope. Anyway, I'm going to try the kangaroo. It's really nice. You can taste the lemon through there. Yeah, it's really nice. Also a little bit of flame taste, which is good. I like it. A little bit of greens. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year. Bye.